Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to merge cells in Google Sheets. To do this, you just need to go to your Google Sheets, and for example, let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, I want to merge cells here, and I want this birthday party word to be in the middle of those, like in this place. So to do this, I just need to select the cells that I want to merge, and after that go and look for this icon, the icon of the box with two arrows. Already when you put your mouse on it, it says merge cells, and click on it. And as you can see here, the birthday party now is in all the cells, and I can put it in the middle of them easily like that. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and see you in the next one.